Hey guys, back with another video. In this video, we're gonna be doing some Mexican ceviche de camarones. So, my style. So everybody has their own. I'm gonna do it with, the molcajete, 2 bags of shrimp. It's already cut up. Tomatoes, onion, white onion. Cucumber, serrano, and then some cilantro, some lemons, and then we're gonna do chili powder, some habanero sauce, la grande. We're gonna do salsa siete mares. We're gonna add some of that, some pepper, garlic. And then we're gonna do chiltepín. These are hot, so we're only gonna be using like 6 or 7 of those. And then your salt. So, all right, let's get started. Let me grab the lemon squeezer. Squeeze some lemon juice. It's already washed. Alright. So, this is how I started out. That's how I do it. So that's number 1 is lemon juice. It's Sunday. It's about 85 degrees outside. So it's hot. And I want to eat something fresh, nice and fresh. So we're gonna get two garlic cloves. Smash them. Like so. Like so. And then we're gonna grab some chiltepines. Remember, these are hot, so I'm just gonna add about 8 of them, 8 or 9. I mean, I like spicy, so I'm gonna crush these up. That. And then we're gonna grab some pepper. Throw the pepper in there. Just grind it all up. This is, this is how I do it. It gives it more flavor. It makes it, taste better. And then I'm gonna grab some serranos too. Grind this up. Grind it up. This is the base. All right. So now we're gonna be using this, since that's the big one, the biggest one I have. So I'm gonna put the shrimp. Put the shrimp in there. Put the shrimp. And then we're going to be putting all the lemon in there. Make sure para que se curta all the lemon juice. We're gonna put all of these lemons in there. Today's my scheduling day, so I'm pretty much homebound, scheduling out my work week for my guys, myself, and just gonna eat some ceviche, make some ceviche for all of us, and see how it goes. See how the kids like it. Almost there. This is really fast, really simple. I mean, just defrost the shrimps. Once they're defrosted, just you know, if you want whole shrimp or if you want to cut them down, you know, to like thirds or half, you're more than welcome to. But this is how I like it. That last one. All right, now to mix. Now we're gonna add the one I made just for flavor. Puro sabor, just for flavor. Gonna mix it in there, and then we're gonna put everything else. So the tomato, goes in there, onion, cucumber, the serranos, okay. All right, so now it's just mixing. Now we're gonna mix all of this. Just mix it all up. Mix it all up. Just mix it. Make sure it's all revuelto. So, and then we're gonna add some pepper for the final touch. Some pepper all around it. Some chili powder. And then we're gonna do this salsa here. This one. It's called Siete Mares. And some habanero sauce. mix it. Mix it all up. That's that. That's done. Grab a plate. And I'm gonna see how it tastes now. Wait, I forgot one thing. Almost forgot the salt. Main ingredient. Salt. I'm gonna taste it. Let's see. Taste it. With some tostadas, if I could get them open. Let's see. Good. Add a little more salt. Everyone, come here. Come and try it. Here. Look. Tell me what you think. Here. No, grab it. Tell the camera what you think. Good? Spicy? Is it good?
It's good.
Mmm. Time to eat. Oh, it's spicy, huh? Mmm. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It's the best way. Alright guys, peace.